Happy New Year. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone in for John Scalzi. John returns tomorrow. Well, check out current temperature right now. It's 57 degrees. Our average for a low at this time of year is supposed to be 52. And at this time of the morning, this is when we usually hit the low temperature of the day. Then temperatures climb up to whatever they're going to be. But temperatures throughout the day today are really not going to get much warmer than this because a cold front's tracking in from the north and northwest, and throughout the day our temperature is actually going to cool. So enjoy the temperatures right now because they're going to be quite cool over the next several days. We'll talk about that in just a second. Dew point at 56. Southeasterly wind, not bad, right? Well, that changes as well as we go through the next few days with the winds kicking up, and we'll show you that in just a second. But here's the cold front spawning some showers as these slowly track into the sun coast. Right now they're still offshore, but we're going to get some wet weather through the mid-morning hours of this morning. And look what happens to the winds as we go through the day and into this evening. By this evening, winds are going to be sustained and even some wind gusts, about 30, maybe even higher than this, about 30 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour, and sustained maybe 15 to 20 miles per hour as we go through tomorrow as well. And then they slowly start to taper off by Wednesday. So it's going to be blustery, chilly, and a little bit wet, at least for the morning hours of today. Then by tomorrow, a little bit of a chance of some shower activity. And then area of low pressure will start to wrap around on the east coast of Florida and bring some moisture on the back side of it to bring us some wet weather on Wednesday. And then chilly air is really going to be the story over the next few days. Temperatures not even getting out of the 50s for highs, and lows even dipping down into the 30s. That could spawn some hard freeze watches and even some warnings in some locations, at least north of our viewing area. But still in central and northern Florida, it's going to be quite chilly. And then also it looks like sunshine will return by Thursday, and then we'll have warmer temperatures, at least getting closer to normal-like conditions. Normal, I mean highs should be about 71 for this time of the year. We may not get out of the 60s, but we could be in the upper 60s by Sunday. So here we go, cold front coming down from the north, area of low pressure. I think what's going to happen is this is going to go to the south, just of our area, maybe around South Florida, stall out. Area of low pressure will develop on the backside of this on the east coast of Florida, and then that's going to reinforce the colder air back into the area. Futurecast shows shower activity this morning, some lingering into tomorrow, and an area of low pressure starts to wind up here on the east coast of Florida by Wednesday, and you can see more shower activity comes our way on Wednesday. Things wrap up. Some snow showers taking place once again, lake effect snow machine here in the Great Lakes. They're dealing with that. We're just dealing with blustery, windy conditions, temperatures in the 50s for highs, lows potentially dipping down into the 30s over the next few days. And then we do finally climb back up into the upper 60s, potentially lower 70s inland as we get into Sunday. Back to you, Steph.